Good morning, everyone. This is our update of our pruning our top pruning of our male papaya. Okay. Uh, let's see. Let's see what happened to this top prune papaya, male papaya. We will find out if it becomes a female papaya. Okay, this is our as you can see, we got here we tap on that, and then there's a branch that grow there, and then let's see if it bear fruit, became a female. Now I can see there's a small tiny, I think it's a male flowers. I think as I can see, this male papaya, by top pruning it, we did not succeed from making it a female. But for now, we will not we will give another chance. Let's see if let's wait for a month or two, and then we prune it again, so maybe it will become a female papaya. Okay, and then on the other side, there is another male papaya, so we go there. Okay, here's our male papaya again, as you can see. This is a male papaya. This is a male papaya. So there's how this papaya has a flower, huh? It's flowering, so the height is about 3 feet, and it blooms flowers, and as we can see, it's visible in our naked eyes in the video. You can see it's a male papaya. So we will prune it on the top pruning. My technique is here. This is the last male papaya flower, so we cut this here. Okay, This is male papaya. We top top pruning. This is top pruning. So after that, we put it in our garbage area here, and then we wait another a month or 2 months, and I will update you. I will update you what happens again with this our experiment, actual study experiment on how to transgender transfer a male papaya to become a female by cutting here, by pruning here. Now it's almost 2 feet in height with the prune here. Okay, please comment below our likes, share, subscribe, and have a beautiful life. Have a happy farming, happy planting.